Tesla may build yet another Gigafactory in Mexico, in Guanajuato, Mexico, in central Mexico. Yesterday I reported, friends, that the UK government is looking for land for Tesla to build a Gigafactory in United Kingdom, in Somerset, United Kingdom. Now it looks like Guanajuato of Mexico is also in talks with Tesla to build another Gigafactory in central Mexico. Tesla is hyper expansion stage. Giga Shanghai, Giga Berlin, Terafactory possibly in Texas or Tulsa, and now possible future Gigafactory in Mexico and in United Kingdom. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and enable the notifications because we bring 3 to 5 Tesla news stories every day on this channel. Governor of Guanajuato, Diego Sinhue Rodríguez Vallejo, says he is currently in talks with Tesla CEO Elon Musk to consider proposing a new Tesla Gigafactory in the state. In early May, this agreement arose between Tesla and Alameda County of California over where the company could reopen or when or whether the automaker, could reopen its plant in Fremont, California. This prompted Tesla CEO Elon Musk to begin a more active search for a site for a new factory. Representatives of various states are now struggling to attract a successful automotive electric car company to host the plant in their states. Tesla's possible move to Texas was openly welcomed by Governor Greg Abbott and Hidalgo County Judge Richard Cortez. Judge Cortez penned a letter directly to Elon Musk enumerating the opportunities Tesla would have if it moved to Hidalgo County in Texas, in which he mentioned the advantages of Mexico. Of course, then it was written as an added bonus for the company to establish a factory in Texas. We have a community of manufacturing facilities called maquiladoras that operate on both sides of the US-Mexico border, based in Hidalgo County, which caters to automobile manufacturing operations in Monterrey, Mexico, a short 2-hour away, and contributed to Mexico now being the 4th largest automotive exporter in the world, wrote Judge Cortez in his letter to Elon Musk. Movil of Mexico reports that Diego Sinhue Rodríguez Vallejo offered the state to also be considered to host the new Tesla Gigafactory or the Terafactory. The governor of this Mexican state said he had already contacted company representatives in Mexico. He assured that Elon Musk and Tesla already know about the existence of Guanajuato, a state in which there are favorable conditions for the production of cars. Guanajuato already has Toyota, General Motors, Honda, and Mazda factories, as well as Ford transmission plant and a Volkswagen engine plant. Wow, a lot of things in this state, right? A lot of car things, a lot of car companies. Let me state that again. Guanajuato state in central Mexico already has a Toyota, General Motors, Honda, and Mazda factories, as well as Ford transmission plant and a Volkswagen engine plant. At the request of Tesla representative in Mexico, Governor of Guanajuato sent a letter stating that the state already has 4 suppliers who are already working with Tesla. So this is yet another bonus for Tesla, right? So Guanajuato is a city in central Mexico. It's known for its silver mining history and colonial architecture. Its network of narrow streets, alleys, and tunnels is typical by the Colegio del Beso, which means Alley of Keys, so named because the balconies are so close enough for a couple to reach across and kiss each other. So what do you think about this development, friends? Do you think Tesla can potentially choose Mexico instead of Texas? Or do you think Tesla will build a Terafactory in Texas and build another Gigafactory or Terafactory in central Mexico to reach the South American continent. Keep in mind that Brazil had also expressed interest for Tesla to come to Brazil for another Gigafactory. Well, friends, let me know what you think about these developments. Let's continue the discussion in the comments section below. In the meantime, this is Armen Harian for TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video to show your support and appreciation of all the people who helped me to bring these stories to you, and also ring the notification bell so you may be notified when I upload my next Tesla or electric car story. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you in our next report. God bless you and take good care of each other.